Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to be doing something very special. It's special to me, right? So I just got a delivery and it turns out that it's the MVP kit. A couple of weeks ago I was awarded Microsoft MVP in developer technologies. What this means is that Microsoft is appreciating me for the work that I've been doing by sharing my knowledge with the community. So MVPs are professionals that share their knowledge with the community. This could be through speaking, blogging, creating videos, right? And I got nominated and I was given the award. So I feel very, very happy and I'm very proud of myself because all the work that I've been putting into doing all of this is finally showing off. So anyway, in this video I am going to be sharing what's in the box because I don't know what's in it yet. So I'm going to be sharing that with you all. So I just feel so happy. Let's just unbox this and see what we have in the box. So this is the box that came in and wow, this is so nice. I need to see what's inside. So as you can see, it's 2021 MVP award and let's see what we have inside. Says thank you, and this is like I think a certificate, and oh, this is so nice. So I'm just going to shift because of the light reflection. This says Gift Egwenu Developer Technologies and when I was awarded. Nice, this is so nice. I like this. And next, let's see what we have. So we also have this note telling you some of the benefits of the program. So these are some of the benefits that you get, and this is just a congratulations note. It also comes with a lapel pin and a name badge. So this is a pin, MVP, and I also get a name badge. It's very nice. Okay, let's see what we have here. Oh my god, I think I should bring this out, the entire thing out. Wow, this is an actual award. Like, I've never received an award in my life. This is an actual award and it feels so heavy. Like, it's actually very heavy. Let's see. This is quite nice. This is very nice. I love it. Thank you so much, Microsoft. I love this so much. So I'm just going to place it there so I don't break it, you know. So this is the award. It looks very nice. It also comes with this here, and this signifies the year you were awarded. So you would probably get this every year you renew your MVP status, and it goes here, right? Wow, I can't believe this is mine. This is so nice. I got this beautiful flower from work. It was sent to me as a surprise congratulations gift from my bosses. I'm so grateful to be working with these very thoughtful people that they just like keep surprising me every time. So here's what the note says. It says, congrats on becoming an MVP. You're doing an amazing job. Proud to have you on board. Hey guys, this is what I got. This award here and also this certificate here. It's very nice. I am going to put this here. I think I have the perfect position, which is this bookshelf right here that I'm not using currently. If I can just get it to stay properly. No. Yes. Yeah, I think it looks good there. And then for the award, this is the award. This is the award. I'm also going to put it somewhere here as well. This is good here. Yeah, I think that looks good. So this is going to be a backdrop for my videos going forward. Very nice. Anyway, that's what I wanted to show you all, and thank you so much for watching. I'm very grateful that I get this MVP status, because it means a lot to me. It means a lot to me. It means that my content is being appreciated by the community, and this is just a stepping stone for me. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one.